Welcome back to my channel. Today we make edible flower desserts. The secret: fresh, edible flowers. Safe to eat, totally natural, and absolutely stunning. Start simple. Start with any dessert: cupcakes, cake slices, brownies, even store-bought pastries. Add flowers. Gently place your flowers on top, cluster them, or scatter for a soft garden look. Brush glaze or syrup shine. Add a touch of syrup or glaze to make them glossy and help them stick. Sprinkle powdered sugar. Final touch: a light dusting of powdered sugar. Chef's kiss. Show final reveal. Slow pan, and just like that, ordinary dessert becomes edible art. Save this for your next party and get ready for everyone to ask how you did it.